What up? We're going to install Harbor Freight horns in a Toyota hybrid 2nd gen Prius. This will work with a lot of other cars, but anyway, you want to make this thing sound less weak sauce and more loud, because sometimes you got problems on the road, you know. Here's the stock horn. All right, let's get to it. There's the part number on here. These are really affordable and they look like knockoff Hellas, but let's get to it. Okay, here's what's in the box. You got the horns. They're actually pretty big. And it actually comes with a relay. We're not going to use the relay. We're just going to use this factory relay, the horn relay. And I got some extra wiring and connectors here. This is going to be for the ground. Okay. It would be cool if they had a little bit of extra wire and some connectors, but you know, for these, we're going to run the ground wire from here to there. I'm going to go ahead and get the cowling off of this area right here so I can access the horns. Okay, there's the factory horns right down there. Looks like that's a 12 millimeter. And just gonna disconnect the connector. The electrical connector. Just got to push that little guy right there. Wiggle it a little bit and tug it out. Hopefully yours isn't too corroded. Comes out easy. Okay. Got the 12 millimeter bolt removed for this beauty right here. You can see this one has only one connector. And it's grounded through the body, so I'm just going to put the ground through this loop right here. So that's the first one I'm going to get ready. I made a little electrical connector, see that? Just a little dingus right there and right there. This one's going to sit right here. And it's one of these guys. And the other end, I'm going to plug into one of these. I'm just going to plug it in to the top one because I'm feeling lucky. And then I'm going to go like that. Right there. The bolt. Run it through. And yeah. Plug in the other one. That little connector, hopefully, will go straight in right here. Let's find out. Okay, so the wire was a little short, so I just tugged it a little bit and got the connector off. And plug it in on the other terminal. There's no positive and negative, so we're just going to plug it straight in. Boom, it fits. That's nice. How convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and snug the bolt down. And let's see, bend it a little bit away so it doesn't touch the condenser. There we go. Cool. There's the side-by-side comparison. The two horns next to each other. Pretty sure this one will be a little louder. Okay, this one's going to be a little tricky. Do it with one hand. All right. Got it. Plug this bad boy in. Cool. It plugs in. Okay, so I just got, there's nothing in instructions that say it's got to be either way, so I'm just going to plug them in with the ground on the top and the power on the bottom. Bend it up a little bit so it's not touching anything. Okay, let's test the horns, see how loud they are. Well, that's a little bit louder. Wow. Great success in my country. All right, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. If you're bored and you want to upgrade your horns, just get some from Harbor Freight. They're not too expensive. That's it. Let's put it back together. The horns, I'd probably rate them, you know, like a 7 out of 10. They work okay. They're a lot louder, noticeably. And the install was pretty easy. I just wish I would give the horns like another 8 or 9 rating if they came with wire and connectors, but it comes with a relay. For cars that don't have a relay, that's not too bad.